What is up, guys? How are you guys doing? Today we're going to be doing a review on a new portable charger. Now this charger looks so fire. I have not really opened and used this charger at all. Now of course we're going to look at packaging first. Now when we look at packaging, let me let y'all see it. It has a UPC, I like that. And then it has like the colors on the side, I like that. And then it has a picture of exactly what the charger looks like. That's tough. And then on the back it has a bunch of like precautions, which are basically instructions or things that you want to read. So read the manual carefully. Please charge this product fully. So I got a bunch of things. It has the made in China verbiage, which is kind of right. So I like the fact that it has a hook on there. If you have a storefront, you would definitely appreciate that instead of having to use the sticky hooks, which is really good. It has also the FCC verbiage as well. So if you want to put it on TikTok Shop, you can. But let's open this package. So packaging, I definitely would give it an 8 out of 10. I like the fact that it has all of this. The problem, and I like that it doesn't have the model on it. It's just a generic charger. But I don't like the fact that this has to be a sticker saying the 5000 mAh, and that's basically the power of the portable charger. If you want to know what a 5000 mAh is, it's sort of kind of like the iPhone 14 Pro Max battery, I believe. So I open this up and we're gonna look at the charger. Okay, I knew it was a cool. So okay, it comes with the charger, no instructions, but it does come with the cord. This is what the cord looks like. It is a Type-C to USB, which in my opinion, what that tells me is that this is not like a fast charging power adapter, which means you won't be able to let this die and then charge it within 10 minutes. You know what I mean? Because Type-C chargers usually allow that. Now, looking at this, I see a bunch of different things. So, number one, this is what the charger looks like. Does this light up or something? Okay. So right here, these ports, it says Type-C, micro, USB, and then it has LED. So I wonder if this like has some flashlight attached to it. And then it has this thing right here, which I'm not really sure what this is, but it has a lanyard. You know how I feel about those. And then it has a Type-C, a lightning, and then a micro charger. I love the fact that this has 3 cables and this is affordable. So this goes for on wesply.com for $12. Okay, you can get this wholesale as well, so you can get this for cheap and also sell this for 20 plus. If you look on eBay, you see this selling for 25 plus. This is a charging adapter. How do they put this? I'm going to use the right verbiage. So this is a lanyard 4-wired power bank. So I guess the 4-wired would include this wire right here too. Now what I'm interested in seeing is this charged? But it's not working yet. So maybe we're going to sit this on a charger and let it charge for a second, and then I'll come back. All right, let's make this very clear. This is tough. It lights up in this black part. It lights up and it shows you what percentage this is. And then when you try to charge it, yo, this is tough. When you try to charge it, it just starts charging your device. I like this. Wow, and then it tells you it's charging. So this black thing is a screen. I like that. And then you can take out whatever charging port you want. And then oh yeah. And then it has a light. So yeah, I like this. I will say I like this. I think it took me, so what ended up happening is I had to charge it. It took me a minute to charge it to 20. Well, no, it took about maybe 5 minutes to charge it to 25%. I will say that this right here is something I got to do. I got to use this. I need this. This is something I need. I need this because I haven't yet seen a portable charger that lights up and has a LED display. Like, that's tough, right? And the price point that this is at is really, really good. And it might be more expensive than $12. I gotta double check because I didn't call to try and make sure that I didn't get the wrong one, because this is a steal. And when I look it up, this is trending right now. And I'm not just saying it. You can literally pull off this and you can charge an iPhone, charge an Android, and then charge a regular smartphone or a flip phone with these all at once. Then you can put them back in the slots, right? Go home, forget where your keys at, boom, turn the flashlight on. Yo, yeah. This is nice. This right here is definitely going to get a positive review from me. I would say this is a 9 out of 10. This is lightweight. You could definitely tell this is a battery pack though, and you could definitely tell that this has the capacity to charge a phone just by the way that it feels. A lot of portable chargers actually don't feel like quality. I'm not sure if you guys know, but like the MagSafe battery pack, that feels like quality, and it's because it's hard, but it's heavy. Like it has a weight to it, but it's not like a weight where it's gonna fall off your phone. If it makes sense. This right here is something that I feel is quality. There's no seams that look to be almost opening, and it doesn't look like it was just melted together. This looks like it is a carefully constructed power bank that literally works. That's why I like it. And I definitely am going to continue to test it. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. But this definitely is going to get great reviews from me. I've already had a few people utilize these, and they have told me nothing but good things. The only thing that I've heard was that it takes a while to charge fully. It takes like 4 hours. But again, you might not need to charge it fully. Like I said, this was dead, and I literally just stepped away for a second, put it on the charger, left it for a second, and came back to an LED display saying it's at 25%. So, and it's numbers that come all the way across the screen. So, I really like it. I don't know what this charge is for. Comment below if you do know what that's for. But that's going to be my review for this power bank adapter. You can get this at wesply.com. Right now, the link should be below as well for you guys to start exploring and seeing different products that you want to flip. If you guys are resellers and you're looking to actually start flipping products, definitely go to wesply.com. The difference between that website is that website literally is curated for resellers like us, people that are looking to start reselling without needing permits and without needing EIN numbers. Now, I have seen different websites, and I love my competition. But one thing I will say is I take pride in making sure my website looks the part, looks exactly how I want you guys to feel. This is not something where we are selling packs or, selling products that you can't really see, right? All of these products that we have listed, now we have way more products than this on the website. But every product that's listed is products that we actually tested, that we actually see are selling, and that we actually know you can profit from. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you guys haven't already, go subscribe to my Gadget Hustle channel. Gadget Hustle. That's why we're doing reviews starting the end of the summer, exclusively on there, hopefully, because I don't want to just crowd you guys up with reviews. If you guys like reviews, definitely let me know. Give me some feedback on how I can become better. Again, I'm going to consistently keep trying to improve and better my product and better my craft. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.